Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change the aspect ratio in Premiere Pro. Whether you need to adjust for different platforms or achieve a specific look, it's a simple process. Let's get started. Right-click on your video clip in the project panel and choose New Sequence from Clip. This will create a sequence that matches your clip's resolution and frame rate. Now, go to the project panel again. Right-click on the newly created sequence and select Sequence Settings. In the Sequence Settings window, you'll see a section labeled Frame Size. This is where you can manually enter the width and height values to set your desired aspect ratio. Click OK if you get this message. After changing the aspect ratio, you might notice that your footage doesn't fit perfectly. To fix this, select your video clip in the timeline. Use the motion controls in the Effect Controls panel to adjust the scale and position of your footage so it fits the new frame size. Once everything looks good, you're ready to export your video. Changing the aspect ratio in Premiere Pro is a great way to make sure your videos fit different platforms. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.